How to write a topic sentence. Writing strong topic sentences. Topic sentences aren't the first or the last thing you write. You'll develop them throughout the writing process. To make sure every topic sentence and paragraph serves your argument, follow these steps. Step 1. Write a thesis statement. The first step to developing your topic sentences is to make sure you have a strong thesis statement. The thesis statement sums up the purpose and argument of the whole paper. Step 2. Make an essay outline and draft topic sentences. Next, you should make an outline of your essay's structure, planning what you want to say in each paragraph and what evidence you'll use. At this stage, you can draft a topic sentence that sums up the main point you want to make in each paragraph. The topic sentences should be more specific than the thesis statement, but always clearly related to it. Step 3. Expand with evidence. The rest of the paragraph should flow logically from the topic sentence, expanding on the point with evidence, examples, or argumentation. This helps keep your paragraphs focused. Everything you write should relate to the central idea expressed in the topic sentence. Step 4. Refine your topic sentences. Topic sentences usually start out as simple statements. But it's important to revise them as you write, making sure they match the content of each paragraph. A good topic sentence is specific enough to give a clear sense of what to expect from the paragraph, but general enough that it doesn't give everything away. You can think of it like a signpost. It should tell the reader which direction your argument is going in. To make your writing stronger and ensure the connections between your paragraphs are clear and logical, you can also use topic sentences to create smooth transitions.
Thank you for watching.